This video is about the rule of 8 and what the rule of 8 is. And matter wants to be stable. If you think of chemical reactions that are going or that are happening, it's typically they're happening so that the matter can achieve stability. And that was my phone. And there are some elements in nature that are stable on their own. They don't chemically react. And these elements are the noble gases. The noble gases are the ones right here, the ones in the furthest to the right on the periodic table. Now, these noble gases have 8 valence electrons. And for whatever reason, 8 valence electrons makes the atom stable. There's something of some balance between the forces present and the way that the atomic structure is set up that makes them chemically stable. They won't undergo chemical reactions once they tend to get 8 valence electrons. Now, there are exceptions. You can make something react even though it doesn't want to react. If you give it enough energy, you can make it chemically reactive and change its octet in some manner. But in general, atoms react to get this 8. And by doing so, they're mimicking the noble gases electron setup. So water is a reaction between hydrogen and oxygen coming together to get their 8 valence electrons. And that's all that the rule of 8 is essentially that atoms come together to react, and that an atom that doesn't have 8 valence electrons can get 8 valence electrons, and an atom that doesn't have can get some as well. That's my brother.